Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2015 Nissan Pathfinder STL, stock reference number 4289. This shape runs from the 10th month 2013 and is the current shape. It has a VQ35 3.5 litre V6 petrol engine backed by an automatic front wheel drive transmission. VQ35 3.5 litre V6 petrol engine. This vehicle has suffered a rollover. We have the right hand headlight, right hand fog light with surround, left hand headlight, left hand fog light with surround. This vehicle is fitted with factory 18-inch alloy mags. Left front has a good tyre. We have the left hand tail light, left tailgate garnish. Tailgate appears to have no damage. Right hand tailgate garnish. Right rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. And a right front factory alloy mag 18-inch with a good tyre. With the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with beige leather interior. It's got a leather centre console, lid, automatic gear shifter. We have heated controls, factory sat nav unit and display cluster, instrument cluster, and we have all rear headrests as well as third row seats. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.